What if I told you there's a travel credit card that charges no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and still lets you earn points on every single purchase? Most people assume cards like that don't exist, but Bank of America Travel Rewards might surprise you. Let's break it down from the ground up, because most reviews skip the small details that actually matter. The Bank of America Travel Rewards card is designed for people who want simple travel rewards without juggling categories or paying an annual fee. Right away, the headline benefit is this: you earn unlimited 1.5 points per dollar spent on all purchases. No rotating categories. No activation required. Everything earns the same rate. Those points are redeemed as statement credits against travel purchases. That includes flights, hotels, rental cars, cruises, ride shares, and even some attractions. You simply book travel however you want, then log in and erase the charge using your points. Most people get this wrong and think they need a special portal. You don't. One of the biggest advantages is no foreign transaction fees. If you travel internationally, this alone can save you hundreds of dollars over time. Many no annual fee cards still charge 3% on foreign purchases. This one doesn't. There's also a welcome bonus, typically offered after you spend a set amount in the first few months. That bonus alone can often cover a round-trip domestic flight or several hotel nights. And here's the surprising truth. Bank of America sometimes offers elevated bonuses that quietly beat competitors, but only if you check at the right time. Now let's talk about where this card really shines. If you're part of Bank of America's Preferred Rewards program, your earning rate increases. Depending on your tier, that 1.5 points per dollar can jump as high as 2.62 points per dollar. That puts it in direct competition with some premium travel cards without charging an annual fee. But no card is perfect. The biggest drawback is flexibility. Points can only be redeemed for travel statement credits, not transferred to airline or hotel partners. If you're a hardcore points optimizer, this may feel limiting. However, for beginners or casual travelers, simplicity is often better. Another thing to keep in mind is that this card doesn't offer luxury perks like airport lounge access for travel insurance packages found on premium cards. This is a no-frills card focused on value and ease of use. So who is this card best for? If you want a simple travel card, hate annual fees, travel internationally, and prefer easy redemptions without learning complex systems, this card makes a lot of sense. You won't believe how many people overpay for travel cards when something this straightforward exists. In the end, Bank of America Travel Rewards is not flashy, but it's reliable. It's a solid long-term card that quietly saves money while rewarding everyday spending. If this breakdown helped you, make sure to subscribe for more honest credit card reviews and money tips. New videos every week, and you don't want to miss what's coming next.